think I need the light, but what's up, guys? Went to sleep pretty late yesterday, around 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, and right now I just woke up. Oh, I really want to go back to sleep. Maybe I would do that. Hello mọi người, thì hôm nay bây giờ mình còn đang mệt quá trời luôn. So, laying down, haven't decided to wake up yet because a little bit tired. Time to get breakfast. First thing first, let's get this. It's a relax and slow Monday. I'm doing miso soup spicy and about to do coffee. Mọi người ơi, thì bây giờ hôm qua planning đi thám hiểm ở ngoài, cách đây 15 phút lái xe từ chỗ cabin thôi, mà tự nhiên thấy làm biếng quá à. Kiểu như buồn ngủ, chỉ muốn ngủ. Hồi sáng nay dậy lúc sớm, xong ngủ tiếp, rồi lại ngủ tiếp, rồi lại ngủ tiếp, thức dậy lúc 1 giờ rưỡi chiều. Giống như là cái rừng này nó hút energy của mình, kêu mình ngủ đi con, ngủ đi con. Chắc là bị thiếu ngủ từ hôm bữa giờ đó, cho nên bây giờ rất là mệt. Với lại còn quá trời thứ để phải chưa quay rồi mới ăn xong nữa, kiểu như buồn ngủ tiếp rồi bà con ơi. Cái mũi mình không có thấy cao lên gì hết, buồn chứ sợ. Ok, mình ngủ nha mấy bạn. Bye bye. Okay, so right now it's 3:30. I went back to sleep around like 2 or 3 times already this morning, And I think I'm ready to rise and shine at 3:30. Shit. I think at home I woke up even earlier than this. But in here, it's just so relaxing. And then look at the view. You know what I mean? So I just feel so relaxed, refreshed. And I did meditate, I ate, I went back to sleep, I took a nap. I did a bunch of stuff like unbox a camera. And I went back to sleep. So yeah, I energized now. Just want to let you know I'm not lazy. Well, sometimes we all do, but well, I just want to be realistic about the time because I feel so much better compared to this morning because I woke up, my brain is just like half wake up, half, you know, I don't know. Just the universe told me to sleep more because I've been lack of sleep. Sometimes I sleep slack up. Anyways, I changed and now I'm on my pajama. It's cute though, and ready to go out and show you guys fun stuff out there. And I'm hungry all the time, but this time I'm promised I'm not going back to sleep. All right, let's get ready. So to be honest, I was waiting for this device to be charged because it's out and I don't think I can record anything if I go out there and it's hanging, charging. And also I was doing unboxing as well. A cup of coffee, but it didn't work, to be honest. So, great. The reality of vacation is eat, sleep, eat, sleep. That's a pardon. Well, we don't do anything else, right? We wake up, we eat, and we sleep. We eat and we sleep. That's pretty much what I did this morning for a couple hours. I really don't know what to wear and just be realistic that on my undie and it's really mountain vibes in here. I brought pretty much cutie clothes and stuff like that, so I'm not even sure it's fittable. It's not cold or not, so I'm just try it out. I bring extra gym clothes just in case because you know you never know, you're gonna go end up hiking and stuff like that, so we'll see. So I don't know why I was so really rushed yesterday, and then I just put like a bunch of dress. I don't know why. Well, you can see right there, and this is not the style for that, you know, because in the mountain you cannot walk with high heel unless you go somewhere for the city vibes, then yes, but the rest really rocky and you will slam your face. So yeah, so right now this is my outfit after all. Super cute, right? So I finally stepping outside and go get some food. I do have some food inside, but I feel like I want to eat something else. And then I haven't get out of the cabin for almost 24 hours. So yeah, let's go exploring. So I finally done shopping, grocery, only $21. Not too bad. Hey guys, I just got back from the grocery. Oh my gosh, my hairs look crazy. Anyway, still look cute. Alright, just want to show you what did I get from Jensen, a grocery store. I got this in Costco, and I forgot to bring it in from my car. And so we have turkey here a long time ago, but from Costco, haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna eat that tonight. And pretty much the total for what I bought is like $22, I mentioned earlier. Not that crazy. So I had mushroom for tonight for cooking spaghetti, and salad, because I seem like I need to eat certain type of salad because I don't have any vegetable with me lately. And then broccoli as well. And we have the 4 cheese ravioli. So we have that for tonight instead of like a spaghetti. So I like this better. And then also I saw my Filipino roommates had this. And it's really tasty for the morning. Pork chorizo. It's like a Mexican food. And I'm going to do that for tomorrow with eggs. So I'm going to put that, maybe wash it first. I've seen a lot of people, pick it up. And lastly, I have the teriyaki chicken stewer, $5.98. Yummy. I don't know how to warm this up, but I'm gonna eat that while cooking spaghetti because it takes a long time. And right now is, what time is it? Almost 6 p.m. Then I'm getting hungry for sure. So we have all these back in here I can keep for just in case I need to use it for later on. Let's see how much they charge for the back. The back, 10 cents, yeah. In California, if you want to purchase a bag, they always add you before because they always charge for 10 cents. I know that in Texas it's free, but not in California because they try to promote people to use paper bag. Even paper bag, they charge for 10 cents as well, so you can bring your own bag and stuff like that. Because for me, I always go shopping with my own bag with this, so I always save tons of bags and I don't need to really use it later or throw it away. So yeah, let's go into cooking. I am so hungry. I also have a separate bag right here to put all the recycle, like paper, boxes, and just in case I don't need it. And the trash can in here they have, I pretty much use for the trash. Alright. See, I haven't washed this yet, so let's do that now and go back later. So I already have the mushroom, broccoli, and right now cooking some beef. And then after that, we'll pour the raw homemade in here, marina. And this is pending, ready for everything to be finished. Thì đây là thành quả sau khi after half an hour cooking. Hey Siri, what time is it? No, actually 45 minutes. Well, at least I still have some leftover for tomorrow. And this, bon appetit!